Hello everyone, and welcome to my screencast for MIU Class 1211 Project 2. This week we were to start using JQM and create a gold app, which will include all the things we like and think work well with our app, as well as a bronze app with the things that we don't feel work as well. Things that went well this week, overall I think the JQM went quite well. It was rather simple to put into the application, and I think looks much better. Not so well. The JQM documentation can be really hard to find, so that took a little additional digging to track down exactly how to use some of it. And then the main thing that didn't go very well for me at all was getting and keeping my CRUD working. I spent the first couple days of this week getting it functioning again, and once I got the JQM added into this index page, the CRUD broke repeatedly. So that was kind of a pain, but manageable in the end. This work relates to what we've previously done because it's building upon that even further than we have already. So now that we're actually using JQM, we're making it look more aesthetically pleasing and more functional, in what I think is a simpler way to do it. It relates to future classes because this is one step in many over the course of the future classes that we will take, and you have to crawl before you run. So we'll continue to build upon what we're doing this week and future weeks in this class, and continue doing exactly this throughout our careers. So for my gold app here, I did a division list of buttons, just with the browse entries by, and I just went with a standard name on each of these. I thought it looked better, and there aren't a lot of icon choices at this point, so I may change it around and add some custom icons at a future time. I couldn't quite get my center stage image to enlarge. Of course, this is coded to, so it won't enlarge properly here. With the simulator, it doesn't look too bad. And then I went ahead and I went with the blue theme because mine's a medical application, so blues and reds are typically the colors associated with that. And then for my about page, I used the accordion lists with just some information about me. And then within that, I added a favorite things category, and used my thumbnail gallery within that, which I think actually looks really well, and I thought a cool little addition, and a good way to throw it in there and still use it. Of course, with my About Me page, I've got the Gold app, Bronze app, and my GH Pages links. GH Pages will go to my GitHub, and then the Bronze and Gold go to the live link with the GH Pages. I also did the news stream on my Gold, and I used it as a listing of what kind of medical information was input and by who, with the date rather. I separated it by day, and now that I see it, I actually meant to do that as time, not day, because I separated them. But I thought this would be a very good way that my users would be able to come in here, and I threw a filter in here as well. So you can start typing my name, for example, and then it, of course, filters out and shows only things with my name. For the Bronze app, I tried to utilize the thumbnail and text. Didn't turn out quite as well as I had hoped. The images, I shrunk them way down, and the button was still very large. So that's I don't really like. I think it works better the way I had it. And then the About page, I left the same. Everything else, besides the thumbnail and text, I actually managed to fit into my Gold application, and I actually like the way it works. So once again, this is my screencast for MIU Class 1211 Project 2. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.